Ever pondered on how to transform your imaginative concepts into a steady revenue flow? Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create and sell journals on Amazon KDP using Canva. Follow along closely to guarantee a successful endeavor into the realm of journal creation. Before we delve deeper, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep abreast with our up-to-date guides and tips. Now, on to understanding the concept of low-content books. These are books with minimal text, such as journals or planners. They've gained popularity since they present a simplistic yet effective method for creators to generate income while delivering valuable tools to their customers. To begin, sign up for a free account on Canva, an online design tool that's user-friendly, even for beginners. Once logged in, select Create a Design and choose Custom Dimensions. For Amazon KDP, the ideal size is 6 by 9 inches. Next, it's time to design the interior pages of your journal. Canva offers a wide range of templates to choose from. You can select one that aligns with your journal's theme. If you're creating a gratitude journal, for example, you might choose a template with space for daily entries. Once you're satisfied with your design, duplicate the pages to reach your desired journal length, typically around 100 pages. Then download the design as a PDF, ensuring to select PDF print for the best quality. Now, you have your journal's interior, but what about the cover? Amazon KDP requires a single PDF for the cover, which includes the front, spine, and back. Canva doesn't offer a direct way to create this, but don't worry, there's a workaround. Design your front and back covers separately in Canva, download them, and then combine them using an online PDF merger tool. Remember to leave space for the spine. Amazon KDP provides a spine width calculator to help with this. With your journal now complete, it's time to sell it on Amazon KDP. Head over to their site, sign in, and select Create a new Kindle ebook. Fill in the necessary details about your journal, upload your PDFs, and set your price. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a journal in Canva and selling it on Amazon KDP. In conclusion, the journey involves designing your journal, downloading the design, and then uploading it on Amazon KDP. It is an uncomplicated, budget-friendly means to earn passive income, and the best part, you can do all of this in the comfort of your own home. Keep in mind, the world of low-content books is huge and diverse, so feel free to get imaginative and try different types of journals. Who knows? You may just come up with the next bestseller. So, set those creative gears in motion and start designing your journal today. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this. Your passive income journey begins with that first step. As we wrap up this tutorial, we would like to clarify that all the content you've seen here is original and crafted by us at MRA Passive Income Playbook. We firmly believe in ethical content creation and sharing, and we assure you that none of the material presented in this video has been plagiarized in any form. We put our heart, soul, and a lot of research into creating these guides to help you succeed in your passive income journey. We hope that you respect our efforts by not duplicating or misusing the content in any way. Remember, success lies in originality and hard work. Let's keep our online community fair and creative. Thank you for understanding, and see you in our next video.